From heartbeats to brain function, excitable cells play a fundamental role in life. But the study of electrically active cells has been historically complex, hindering our advancements in human biology and treating diseases. Still, you can no longer ignore fundamental questions about the body's electrical cells. Your models and experiments may look no different under the microscope, but what about the electrical activity? How do you know your cells are communicating if you've never recorded from their network? At Axion Biosystems, we understand the need to explore life circuitry. With Maestro Edge, capture live cell activity from neurons, heart cells, and muscle cells in real time. Control cell activity with electrical or light pulses, or both. Analyze and graph your data with our dedicated software. Powerful data no longer needs to be complicated. We're waiting for your next discovery. Ready to explore life circuitry?